So you can pop this open. Go ahead and pop this off. You do is you can push inside the middle and pull down. It should drop. So once it drops, you can just go in here. Me go get the light. So you can pull this down. Pop this open. Pop the other side open. And take it out. From here you can see that there's a mouse bin in here. You know, the mouse poop. There's a bunch of mouse poop in here. So you're going to put a new one in. Put this back in. Close it. You put this back. And that's it. But you ever look down here, you can see that they also chew up this napkin here.